Hey guys, let's try Sherlock AI app. So I will try to show you an image and just do like a search. So you can see you need to spend $5 for one search or one coin. You can get coins for free if you just use my code. So here's my code. You can just redeem it here in the bottom. And then so here's I just took a photo of some like influencer, online influencer, TikToker, YouTuber, and I just want to check whether this app has a good quality or not. So I will spend a coin for you so you know whether you need to upgrade in this app or not. It's not possible to use the app for free, of course, only if you refer friends via TikTok, wherever. But here it is. Let's check it out, what it will find out. So it is quite well known kind of niche travel blogger. It should find at least his YouTube account or maybe his TikTok account at least. So let's check this out. And then you can see how many faces, biometric analysis, mapping biometric data. And then it just starts to search, doing web search, scanning for image similarity. And then you can see 92% match. So it really did found this blogger account on Instagram, and it has 92% confidence. Then it found on websites. Then it found on Facebook. It also found on YouTube. So you can just go and check this out on Pinterest, and then found some other guy on LinkedIn, which is 63% confidence, and on Twitter some other guy as well, probably 63%. On Pinterest, I don't know, probably this is the same guy. Probably here also you can just, and then you just go in here. So on Instagram, I think this is the same guy for sure. On web, yep, this is the same guy as well. And Facebook, YouTube, like TikTok, Pinterest, like, yeah, LinkedIn, you can just, but that you see on LinkedIn, this is another person. So yeah, that's kind of the idea of this app. It's great that it gives the percentage confidence, 92%, like 95, and so on. So I think you need to have at least 80 to be sure, because this I'm not sure. But yeah, overall, this is what you get, and you see I spent one coin. And then, for example, I just checked another influencer. Here it was more high quality. It didn't find another people. It really did find out this correct person and all social media accounts and so on. There is another Sherlock app, like a GitHub package. If you know, for example, username of a blogger from YouTube, you just enter that username, and you will be able to find all these bloggers' usernames from all other social networks. But this app is more like a face scan. So a lot of people sometimes you only have face. And you can use multiple scenarios this way. For example, you just want to check if someone is using your face for AI generations. Maybe, your face is used for some AI model, and someone's generating videos with your face. So you can just take a photo, take a selfie, and just double check it, and it will actually find it. So this is the app. It's not on Android, but you have it here. So this was how I'm doing the check here. Feel free to use my code. So here is my code. Feel free to use it.